So, tako pala. Di ba, ma'am? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. All good in the hood.
All good in the hood.
Yeah! Orale!
What's
Ma'am,
up, man?
when I first met you, mahal na kita. No. I think you are Filipina. Yes, but no, you came from Singapore. Yes. Came from Singapore. Can you said all good in the hood?
All good in the hood.
Yeah, so Intramuros was very big, 64 hectares. Good afternoon, guys. Ma'am, where are you from?
Singapore.
Yes, my guest from Singapore. Jalan-jalan.
Yes, jalan-jalan.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can teach you some Filipino word.
Ooh,
When you said I love you, it means mahal kita.
mahal kita.
Yes. What in Malaysia, what is I love you?
Saya sayang kamu.
Sayang kamu. So ma'am, thank you for opportunity you gave me for today. Let's go. Siyempre sa pagtuturo, hindi lang tayo basta nag-i-explain ng history. Kailangan may photography, bodyguard, at siyempre driver. So, let's go. 2, 3. Last one, look at here. Yes. 1, 2, 3. All good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You know, ma'am, why they think that you're Filipina?
Why?
Because of your skin.
Ah,
You're called morena.
moreno?
Morena.
What is that?
Beauty girls with brown skin. Yes, morena. One of the most beautiful view in Intramuros. This golf course. Beautiful like you, ma'am. Smile. So, mga gar, gusto ko sana mag-Kamyas Gaming. Kaso, papakita ko na rin sa inyo kung ano yung tubo ng Kamyas. Walang tubo. Buti may natagpuan tayo. Medyo maliit. Pwede na to. Hugasan na lang natin. Kamyas Gaming, alam nyo na. Sanitize natin yan. Oh, buti may tubig. Let's go. Kamyas Gaming. Kamyas Gaming. Yeah.
What's it called?
Kamyas.
Kamyas.
It's called Kamyas Gaming. So, one for you and one for me. Cheers. Try to bite.
It's very sour.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
That's why I told you, all good in the hood. Watch your head. Lamborghini is Filipino size. Let's go. Ma'am Auto. Oh. Ma'am, flowers for you.
Oh, for me?
Yes. You can put it in your ear. You became Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah, Dalaga. Yan. Can I show your face, ma'am? Oh. Earlier, you're beautiful. But now you are very beautiful. Opa.
Mahal kita.
Yeah. Ma'am, last favor. Can you shout out True Brown Style 13?
True brown style.
13.
Trece?
Shout out.
Shout out,
And
yes.
hand sign like this.
What is this?
Yeah, one of the most handsome group in Philippines. Yeah.
Handsome.
Yeah. All good. What you gonna say, ma'am? My photography is good.
The best. Number 1 in the world. Number 1.
No, wait, if you rate it 1 out of 10.
Definitely number 10. 10 out of 10.
Weh, that's called steering machine. Yun, what up? Good day, mga gar. Hello, ma'am. May tropa pala sa ating na magbibigay ng shirt. Ito, fresh shirt, par. Napaka-solid. Yan. Ano sa? Uy! Yes. He's the one who give firm, you know, I show speed. O sa, matsalab. Score na kayo na ito, napakabisa na ito, par. Pag suot mo to, Fresh na fresh ka.
May bas-bas ni speed, no?
Bas ni speed to sa.
Hey! Thank you, sa.
Siyempre, pag naka-fresh ka, kailangan may pabango ka para fresh na fresh. Nakamotor pa kami nung guest ko ha. Wait lang.
What kind of video? Like this?
0.5.
0.5? Going to Manila Bay.
But lastly, ma'am, I didn't take photo of you in the gate.
The where?
Manila Bay.
The video you
Tamang date. But before, ma'am, Manila Bay was look like that. Too many garbage. Before, after. It's look like this. Ma'am, I hope you enjoying.
I'm enjoying so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. We can... Faster, ma'am. So yun, pagtapos namin ng tour, uwi na siya. That's my part. Ma'am, thank you very much. Ay! Kuya, teka lang. Sorry. Ma'am, safe. What you gonna say, ma'am? My photography is good.
The best. Number 1 in the world. Number 1.
No, wait, if you rate it, 1 out of 10.
Definitely number 10. 10 out of 10.
That's called steering machine.